it is the must application to download for scoring 100% in your board examinations.
I'm sorry, I'll try harder.
Hi guys, this is Ahmed and you're watching informative channel known as Understanding Technology, and today we are going to talk about some applications which can help you in your board examination or your final examination. So be with this video and be with me for scoring good in your examination. So without wasting time, let's begin. Guys, before starting this video, I want to clarify something, that is, with all apps which are used in this video are for free, but in the previous days they were costing around 1000 to 2000 rupees. So without wasting time, you go and download this app. I don't know when they are going for paid purpose, so without wasting time, download it and we will go serial wise in this video. So number one is Quizo Pro, and this is the game, this is the application, and it is a mixture of education and fun. So it is a quiz type game, and you can see there are lots of categories here: general, and Game of Thrones, soccer, science, pigs, etc, etc, and they are mixed also, so we can play any one of this. So I don't know, and it will help you in your board examination because you will get some general knowledge about it, so you can get some information in social. And these all are the levels of this: easy, normal, hard, expert, final. So I will go with easy because they are locked, and you can see the what we can say question, and there is a timer, and here are the three options for this. It will ask you 20 questions. So I missed this question in the explanation, so let's start. I don't know what is the answer. I know the answer. It was very easy. Oh, I don't know the answer. Okay, I'm going right. Okay, so let's move to the second application without wasting this time. And guys, number two is Sentence Pro, and this is a game which can teach you English, and it is a wonderful game, but it was paid in previous days and it was costing around 1 to 2000 rupees, but today it is for free. So you can go and download this game from the Play Store, and the name is Sentence Master Pro, and there is an option for single player and multiplayer also. So I want to go. So as you can see, there are 4 options in the down of the screen, and I think they all are from the worldwide. They are worldwide, so I want to skip that and I will directly go to the single player. So there are the 5 options here: beginner, competent, professional, expert, proverbs. So we can choose any one of this, and we will go with the beginners here. And you will know that everybody knows that English can help you in every subject. It will work in every subject, so it is a must application to download for scoring 100% in your board examination. So I will also what we can say, take tuition from here only for making good scores. So from now I will start it, and I make a question. It will give you some words and you have to make the sentence, and there is a lots of funny what we can say sounds here when you will give the answer in correct sentence, and if you will give the sentence wrong sentence, it will laugh on you, and it will show you how many mistakes you did in your question. So in 20 seconds I make 4 mistakes and sentence failed. So I was explaining you, so let's begin for the second one. So I think I did 1 mistake. So good Ahmed, good. Oh, I missed it. I hate that. I don't want to lose anything. So for making good score in your board examination or your final examination, you must download it. If you don't download, you will fail in your examination. So you have to download it. So if you watched this video and you liked it, so make a thumbs up on this video, because my FF4 is going on and I'm making a video for you also. Make this thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to tell the bell icon to be notified with me, and I will give you some interesting videos on this channel. So subscribe it and don't forget to download it. So they all are under 200 MB, and the previous application teach you science, biology, physics, and what we can say, social, everything. You can get general knowledge also from that application. And so be awesome and be some techie, and best wishes for your examination. Thank you guys.